Balance 1500 was one of the most coveted models in the 2000s and early 2010s, especially with its premium made-in-England builds and collaborations with iconic names like Solebox, Provider, and Colette. While its hype has slowed, Stephen Smith's design remains a core offering at New Balance's Flimby factory and continues to appeal to dedicated fans. Following the recent Birch and Black Cat releases, a new brown leather and mesh colorway has surfaced online. Nicknamed Maple Syrup, this version features rich brown and reddish leather overlays, complemented by darker brown mesh and matte accents on the tongue and collar. Cream-colored branding adds contrast, echoed in the ENCAP midsole, while a brown gum outsole finishes the look. The New Balance 1500 Maple Syrup is currently available at &Clothing, with a wider global release expected soon. Retail is set at $240, so plan accordingly if you're interested.